Hi Virgos, this is your career reading for the month of August. I have taken out your cards and I have a picture of your career and work situation, your job, business, or your studies, whatever you are watching it for, it's there. So I'll be talking about that. Before I start your reading, I'll be reading out a card from the Lenormand deck. It is a old Gypsy's tarot deck. So it has got a message for you. It has got one card for you, which will give you an overall monthly situation. So the card that has come out for you is number 34. It is the fish card. So it is a good card to have. It is saying success is proportional to the speed of action. Act quickly but without losing your head. This month, it is necessary to act quickly and committing yourself to studying and large professional initiatives. Success is possible only by keeping on the move and accepting transfers or work placements abroad. Credit recognized and advancement is on the cards. So, regarding your success, it is saying you are going through a phase of comfort, optimism, physical and mental fertility. Support from a friend abroad can come to you. A stroke of genius resolves a tangled situation for you. Mental and physical regeneration will take place. Promotion, advancement, up the hierarchy. Um, Honors and deserved recognition, stimuli and interest to be worked on. A small sum of money found or won during a trip will be there. Flourishing economic situation, recovered credits, excellent earnings, fruitful business deals abroad. And an acquaintance experienced in foreign trade will be of help to you. Success will be in proportion to the rapidity of your action. So basically, success will happen, but you have to act quickly. So, what is your crowning energy? Crowning energy is also showing this positive attitude regarding your work situation. You are hopeful of a new situation that is going to work out for you, or you are looking at a situation of upgrade in your current work situation. Something is going to happen for you, and you can feel it inside you. So you are thinking that maybe some upgradation of money, maybe some of you are going abroad for studies, you will be granted some funding, you will be given some admissions, you will be working with something or someone big. That is what I am getting from your cards, or you are waiting for your goods to come. So if you are waiting for proposals, if you are waiting for results, if you are waiting for your promotion, whatever you are waiting for, a sure short situation is going to develop for you, and you know it. So you know it in your heart of hearts that something is coming to you from a distance. This card also shows very very high positive waiting energy of someone or something which is coming from abroad. So you will be waiting for your ships to come. This is the lingering energy, crowning energy in your work situation right now. Some of you are very anxious despite this positive force in your life of the Three of Wands. It is the wand situation, the fire situation given by Mars. You are waiting in a very very positive energy, but it is also giving you anxiety. It is giving you moments of anxiety in this month of August, because you are thinking whether I will crack it or not, whether I'll get the promotion or not. So you are thinking about your physicality or tangible achievements. You are going for that, so that's why it is giving you so much of trouble. My suggestion is, because we know that it is coming, so you should not worry so much, you should not get into despair, you should not become desperate. You need to be in control. Some of you are also going through a deceptive period in your situation. Some secrets are not out for you, so you don't know what the situation is, or some of you are getting to know about a certain thing which is happening. There could be competition, there could be other people getting what you are aiming for, or you have this fear that other people will get it and you will not get it. So this kind of fear is creeping in on you in the month of August. But angels are saying don't get into all these things, because you will be in your King of Pentacles situation within this month. You will be in your King of Pentacles situation. You will be, knowing that there is going to be comfort, there is going to be achievement, there is going to be balance in your finances. Everything will work out for you. You will be comfortable. You will be comfortable, and you will be exuding this energy around you. You are a nurturer, carer. You also give, support to family through the money that you earn. So you are a provider. You are a provider. So don't get into the petty energies of Nine of Swords and Seven of Swords. These energies, crop up for you to, teach you lessons in patience. Basically, you got to have patience like this King of Pentacles has, because you are the King of Pentacles. So you will be going through a bit of disturbance, but ultimately you will be good. You will be assured of your money situation being in balance. So as you go forward, the of you know situation of blocks situation of trouble, some immature energy of a sort, or energies of not getting into not getting what you want. And the situations of blocks will go away. It will dissipate from your life, of your career situation. They will go away. Some malicious person who is um, uh, who tried to slander you, this person will also be dissipating from your situation in your career. So what will happen is, some of you will walk away from this connection. Some of you will walk away from, some of the competitions will go away from your life. However, what you are deciding is to get away from people who are, putting doubts in your mind regarding something which you are pursuing. So you will be trying to get away from them to, go towards your higher goals. That is what I am seeing. So situation of rivalry will go away. Situation with a person who is of the air sign and very immature, and who is trying to trouble you, put in doubts in your mind, giving snide comments on you, this person will also be disappearing when you decide to take a chance, get away from these people. So you'll be cutting cords with these people and going towards your goals in a focused manner. That is what I am seeing. I am seeing the Eight of Wands happening. This is progress in your career situation, definite progress. You know fast travel can take place, trip can take place for some of you. It is happening in your life to bring in progress. So you will be going towards something very fast, or some information will come to you very fast. So this will be online information, or fast travel by aircraft or by road. Whatever the trip will happen for you, or fast information will bring in progress in your career situation. So there is this Moon card and the Death card here. This is showing uncertainty in a certain situation. It was cropping up for you, but that uncertain situation will be over. That uncertain cycle will be over. The uncertain cycle of not knowing what to do next will be over for you. Some cycle in your life will be over for you, and you will be wanting to be in a quiet place, wanting to be in a place near the water, or you will be going towards that. So there will be a need of emotions or water, and you will be making a decision to get into a period of solitude, get away from people who disturb you in your career situation. So there, the fear situation, which was coming in because of the Nine of Swords, the worry situation, fear situation, and long term distress of being rejected, long term distress of always being defeated. rejected, or taken advantage of. That kind of situation is in its last stages. So don't be fearful of what is coming to you. The changes will be good for you. Angels are saying that strength card is here. Be in your power. Be in your power of dominating your situation. Be in control of your situation. Don't get into a situation of defeat, rejection, dejection, and don't get worried. And these are all emotional energies. These are not tangible energies. These are playing on your mind. So what you need to do is control your inner demons so that you can receive what is coming to you, because new situations are developing for you. As you were waiting in positive energy, it is going to happen for you. New situation is job, business, studies is going to crop up for you. Let's see the outcome. The outcome is definitely the best. Victory for you, Four of Wands for you. So, some celebrations are on the card. Victory in a certain situation of your job, career, studies, money, finance. You are going to overcome your obstacles. That is what I see. Upgrade and promotions will happen for you. Good results will come to you. You will be able to get a good partner if you are looking for. You can also get a mentor, because this card can also be you and also a mentor who is coming in your life, who is going to give you recommendations, referrals, who is going to give you chance in your life. So some association will take place which will be very very fruitful for you. For some of you it can be a marriage with a very wealthy person. That is what I am seeing. So some of you will be buying a new house, some of you will be moving into a new house. A situation of prosperity will develop for you. That is the outcome in the month of August. So victory is coming to you. Definitely overcoming obstacles in your career is happening for you. Angels are saying that high priestess will guide you, your gut instincts will guide you, your knowledge will guide you. You will be driven by the forces of the universe, and your gut instinct will be there to support you. So take your decisions with your intuition in mind, with your insights, with your wisdom. That is what angels are saying. The whole truth is never revealed to you, so you have to navigate yourself from darknesses with the energy of your gut instinct. That is what angels are saying. Never doubt yourself. Never doubt yourself. Don't feel guilty and don't feel that you are trapped by someone. Your energies are connected to your free will, and when you use your free will, then only your wheel of fortune turns. So you got to get out of this eight of swords energy of fear, fear of failure, fear of not getting what you want. Get out of this doubtful underconfident situation. That is what angels are saying. Ultimately you will heal yourself, you will get the support of friends and family, you will be able to enjoy with them. Celebrations are on the card. Some of you are definitely getting promotion, some of you are getting married with wealthy people, some of you are getting that chance which you are looking for in a foreign institution, some of you are completing some mission. So there will be victory, definitely an upgrade, definitely in your career situation, my dear Virgos, in August. So that's it. If you have liked this reading, please like and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, say it in the comment box. If you want to request a personal reading which I give to people, I give my time, I give access to people who come to me. These are paid sessions, so make sure when you come to me you are prepared to pay and then get a reading, because these readings use lot of my energy and time. So you got to pay for that. These are not free readings. So come prepared and leave in a request in the comment box if you want such a reading. And if you are missing your readings, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you know when I am uploading the next reading. So that's it. Enjoy yourself. Bye bye.